Alright, so we're here in the Marikina Palengke. They sell all types of things, goods, meats, products, and rice and so forth. To show you the real Manila and some sights and sounds of it. I hope you come join me and you explore and discover the Marikina Palengke. Let's go. So what you just saw is a cigarette seller guy. He like hits that, makes you attracts the sound, makes you know that he's selling cigarettes by the stick or by the pack. But yeah, that's a cool sight right there. We're making new friends here. New friends here.
Shout out dyan sa asawa ko.
Alright, got some shout out. Yeah, just trying to get new subscribers and check out the wet market here in the Palengke. Real life Manila street vlogs here. Alright, so eggs and all types of vegetables as well as medicines and stuff. Corn. Yeah, it's pretty much like a big place with big discounts here. Bananas, yeah, big discounts here on vegetables, meats, and so forth, and you know, random home supplies and goods. There's even like lotto scratching tickets and more. Marikina Palengke. Okay, for my vlog. Hi. Yeah. Awesome vegetables. Good stuff here. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Giant durian.
What?
Durian?
Durian.
Alright, so we're gonna go into this little alleyway. They do have clothing that are for sale, and I just want to show you the views of how it looks. So come on, let's go check it out. Got some cool clothes, cheap goods. Little storage area for eggs. All right there. So these are pretty cheap. These are ukais. They're 35 pesos for each clothes. That's less than $1, guys. Less than $1. I got some like a travel thing over here, and more clothes down here. We're gonna go through and then come back out. Let's go. Cool street over there. More stuff here. Let's go back in. All right, so we're in there where they sell like general goods, like t-shirts, shoes, and then some cell phone and electronics, and more. I guess we're not in the wet market anymore. We're not selling meats. We're just selling like clothing and other things that you'll need. Check it out.